Okay, so there's a bug in my room, and like, oh my god, oh my god, it's alive. Charlene, go get a cup. Yeah. Dude, get it. It's like moving like hella.
Okay, how am I supposed to pick it up? Wait, is that paper?
In the bathroom. I thought we threw it away. Is there another one? Oh shit.
I'm scared.
Lift it up. Lift it up.
No.
I'm scared too.
No, please.
Please. No, just lift it, because I don't know if it's on there. Do you feel it fall? Ew. Yeah. What are we supposed to do with it?
Well, I don't know. Maybe something like this.
Throw it away.
No. Just to make sure.
Throw it away. Now you throw it away.
Oh, this is on my...
It's a bug.
Huh?
There's a bug. And
Bug. What?
it's a bug. Ready?
There's a beetle.
Say bye-bye.
We have to kill it.